We'll guide you through how to make DaVinci Resolve run faster. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top menu bar and click on DaVinci Resolve, and then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, click on the Memory and GPU tab. Here, you need to ensure that DaVinci Resolve is making full use of your system's GPU, which is crucial for speed. Set the GPU processing mode to Auto, or CUDA if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. This allows DaVinci Resolve to utilize your GPU effectively. Next, go to the Decode Options section within the same tab and enable Use GPU for Blackmagic Raw Decode if you are working with Blackmagic Raw files. This can significantly improve playback performance. After adjusting these settings, click Save to apply the changes. Now, let's optimize the playback settings. Go to the Playback menu at the top and ensure that Use Optimized Media if available is checked. Also, set the render cache to User by going to Playback, then Render Cache, and selecting User. This setup allows DaVinci Resolve to create and use optimized media for smoother playback. If you have heavily graded footage, you might want to consider generating optimized media by right-clicking your clips in the media pool, then selecting Generate Optimized Media. This process takes some time, but can drastically improve performance during editing. Finally, close other unnecessary applications running in the background to free up more RAM for DaVinci Resolve. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in speed and responsiveness. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.